Alright guys, I want to give you a quick introduction to graphing linear inequalities, which sounds really sketchy, but really all it is graphing lines and then sorting out an inequality. So, for example, say I wanted to graph the solutions to 2x plus y is less than 6. So what I would do is I'm going to start by solving this thing for y, right? I'm going to try to put this in y equals mx plus b format. But I'm not going to be able to because there's not an equal sign, but I'm going to do my best. So I'm going to take this thing, right? And I already got a y here kind of kicking around by itself, right? So I'm going to get the other stuff to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So that's going to leave me with y is less than or equal to, right? 6 minus 2x. Okay, now I'm going to notice that this is like a line, right? So maybe I might rethink here, and I'm going to rethink this into y is mx plus b form almost. So I'm going to say, all right, y is smaller than negative 2 over 1 x, right? Negative 2 is negative 2 over 1, maybe you can think this way. Negative 2 over 1 x plus 6. Okay, so that means that for 1 over, I'm going to go 2 down, and I'm going to start that whole business at a y-intercept of 6, right? Okay, so I'm going to draw my axes, and I'm going to graph this thing in fancy blue. So we're going to go up 6 units to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot, right? There's my y-intercept. And then I'm going to go, all right, over 1, down 2, so I go over 1, down 2, puts me here, boom, line, right? And then this stuff I'm talking about is where the y is under that. Okay, see that? So really what I did was I looked at this line, this thing here, and I thought to myself, oh, actually, in light blue, right? I thought, all right, let me draw y equals minus 2 over 1 x plus 6, right? That's this business up there. So I drew that, and then I say, okay, now where is the height underneath the blue line? You guys see that? That's the y, right? Y is the height in this case. So the height is smaller than or equal to the blue line. So I'm going to include the blue line and all of this stuff under here. So you're not going to solve these, right? There's not really an answer, there's just a picture. Okay, so there's my picture of the inequality 2x plus y is smaller than 6. And this is actually just straight up your answer. You don't need